Hi, it's Brooke with WTI.
If you are looking to increase the flavor in the food that you create for your family or yourself, or a side dish, look no further. I have found this Greek extra virgin olive oil, and it's by far my favorite. This is by PJ KABOS. It is rich and vibrant. I like that it does have that bitter note, but it's really subdued by the freshness. It's hard to pinpoint all of the aromatics, but this is an olive oil that isn't basic, it's not bland. It's vibrant, rich, and provides me with many excuses to use it in many of my dishes. I like the deep yellow that you see here, and it really did take my quinoa salad from, this boring, flavorless to a wow, wonderful tasting salad. This has a newly opened tin here with a lid that screws on or off, and the dark tin keeps it in a dark place when it's not in use. It's easy to pour because it pulls out at the top. I also noticed that it does not smoke. If I keep my heat on a medium to medium high, I can get away with cooking with this oil. If you like the tonic for maybe reasons that you find you want to add some phenolic, this has 750 plus milligrams and other compound antioxidants that are really good that I enjoy taking anyway. If you want to feel good about the ingredients and just enjoy the flavor and make it fun, this is definitely it.
I love it, but that's just my point of view.